Imagine space-time not as empty space, but as an information field oscillating in light. That oscillation begins in uncertainty, where no single moment can be frozen completely. Between Planck ticks, the universe stays in superposition before it renders visible form. The next field forms from prior probability and the orientation of every QSV arrow. Each quantum state vector is a tiny arrow of phase, frequency, spin, and living memory. As those arrows overlap, their probabilities create a field of living information density. When that density reaches the Planck bound, holography forms a horizon surface. A horizon is the screen where hidden superposition becomes one measurable frame. When light compresses enough, a Kugelblitz horizon can form from photons alone in space. Those photons are entanglement in motion, folded until light becomes its own mirror image. The field is the non-local source, and the horizon is its finite projection screen. Hawking radiation is the read and write process between the source and horizon screen. At the horizon, virtual partners separate into two sides of the same equation together. One partner falls inward, staying tied to the non-linear field behind the screen itself. Its twin appears outward, etching hidden motion onto the horizon as angular spin memory. That is how information gets out, like watching the source movie in a mirrored frame. The singularity is the derivative side, pure change before extended form appears. The horizon is the integral side, where accumulated change becomes visible geometry. The fundamental theorem of calculus says those two views are one process in motion. Hidden rate of change integrates into the visible spacetime frame we experience. Now imagine Riemann plates as every possible rearrangement of the phase slices in time. Each plate compares the interference pattern with its equivalent geodesic pathway. Changing the plate order changes the history, while the field computes the match. That match between interference and geodesic is the computation of reality itself. Many histories exist as plates, but one coherent arrangement is rendered as now. The rendered frame is not separate from the field, it is the field taking a view. Spin is the information view, where angular frequency stores the hidden code in memory. Ordinary frequency is the wave view, where spin becomes cycles on the horizon screen. Mass is the clock view, where the same energy becomes structure and duration through time. Planck constant times frequency, and reduced Planck constant times angular frequency. Mass times the speed of light squared is the projected battery of interference. These are three views of one thing, not three separate engines of existence. The universe is an interference battery, charging horizons with stored spin memory. Particles are stable ticks of that battery where coherent frequencies survive. Gravity is curvature from the surviving interference nodes written on the screen. The avatar is a local rendering of the same non-local field behind every frame. Your body is a horizon register, and your brain is a biological decoder of light. Microtubules tune phase, frequency, and coherence into a lived perceptual frame. They render the field into sight, sound, touch, memory, emotion, and thought. So physics is the movie on the horizon, while life watches from inside the movie. Because horizon states are finite, similar frames can return across vast cycles. It becomes the ultimate cosmic Groundhog Day, with the field only changing its avatar. The screen may repeat the pattern, while the viewpoint makes the moment feel new. You are not outside the field, watching reality from somewhere beyond the screen. You are one avatar of the field, while the field plays every avatar through you. The avatar is local, the field is non-local, and the projection becomes space and time.